Welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about grounding, Qi Gong for grounding now, grounding you into the earth. So gently, feet shoulder width apart, gently shaking the body out, pushing your young chunk points into the earth, just gently shaking out. Nice deep breaths into your lower abdomen and breathing out. Just think about coming down into the earth, leaning forward 1 degree onto your young chunk points, your spring of courage, just gently shaking out. Get the stress out of the body. We'll just warm the legs up for about a minute, so just gently shaking out, shake your hands out now, shake the whole body out. Just let yourself be in this moment 100%. You can do this. Shaking out the hands as fast as you can for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gently stopping, then breathe in, bring your hands up for that tingling all the way down to your fingertips. Keep this light, soft feeling all the way through this very simple movement. We're going to do something very simple today. Breathing in, do balance and grounding. Breathing out. But keep this soft feeling in your mind all the way through this. It's a beautiful tingling, empty, light feeling. Okay, feet shoulder width apart, as if you're holding a ball. Throw the ball over to the right, 45 degrees, your right knee comes up. And then you drop down into cat stance. Your right toe comes down, left hand in front of your lower danjon, right hand in front of your heart. So all your weight now is on your back leg. You can bounce this up and down a little bit. So you want to sink down into that left leg, and then throw the ball over the left side. And then sinking down again, left hand in front of the heart now, right hand in front of the danjon. This is empty. You can move this wherever you want it to go, but just rest it there. So breathing in, throw the ball away, and then breathing out. Sinking down into that left leg. Breathing in, throw the ball, and then breathing out. Mistakes are okay. Breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. If you can't get your leg up so high, don't worry about it. Breathing in, just here's fine, and then just sink into that back leg. So breathing in, knee up if you can, and then breathing out. Remember, balance is about adjusting, it's not about standing still. Breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in. Try and get into a little trance in your mind. Breathing out, breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in, and breathing out. Okay, again, just gently shaking out the body, shaking out the hands, pushing down into the earth. Nice big sighs out. Gets the stress out of the body. Gently stopping and then clearing. Take a deep breath in. Pull that heat out of the head. Get used to doing this. Pulling down the heat into your heart and then the fire energy into your danjon. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Hands over your lower danjon, bring your feet together, let your body rock and sway like a piece of bamboo in the wind. Just let yourself go. So well done. Notice how your body feels now. Hopefully you're a bit more grounded into the earth. Grounding exercises really help you, obviously, to get more connection with the earth. It helps to bring your brain waves down to low alpha, high theta, which is more in tune with the earth. The Schumann resonance, the 7.83 Hertz resonance is actually high theta, but low alpha is close to it. That's why we feel more connected to the earth when we bring our brain waves down. So really getting into a regular Qi Gong practice will help you do that. We do classes every Thursday and Sunday here via Zoom. If you want to join us at the Bright Beings Academy. Take a deep breath in, and then leaning forward, breathing out through your teeth. Breathing in, coming back up, and breathing out. Breathing in, coming back up, and breathing out. Breathing in, coming back up. It helps take the heat out of the head. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, be well and keep shining. We say Kansamnida.